Adding super big screen radio to Hyundai Elantra. First, let's remove the air outlet first. Second, loosen the screws to remove the original screen. Third, install the new screen and install the air outlet. Let's take a look at the completion of the installation. Support voice control. Support map navigation. Support music playback. Support DSP tuning. Support Bluetooth phone. Support the control of the original car buttons. Thank you for watching.